To clean the milk system of your Siemens EQ.9 more thoroughly, you should run the automatic cleaning program on a regular basis. Press the right button to open the cleaning program. Select Rinse Milk System with a rotary selector and press it to start the program. Empty the milk container. And reinsert it. Place an empty glass under the beverage outlet and press the rotary selector. The milk system cleans itself automatically. Once the program has finished, rinse out the milk container and reinsert it. The milk system is now clean, and your appliance is ready to use again.
Siemens, the future moving in.